How can you create 4K zoomable product photos for your e-commerce store that makes your entire business more professional and trustworthy? We will find out in this video. So here's the truth. Most supplier images break and pixelate when customers zoom in. Blurry product photos means lower trust, and low trust means lower conversions. But when your photos are 4K and they are zoomable, it increases customers' trust because they can see the product really well. And when your customers can inspect the product closely, they can buy with confidence. And right now I will show you how to use the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool, a tool that is perfect for deblurring, denoising, and upscaling product photos so they are super professional and ready for your online store. So what do I mean when I say 4K product photos? I mean ultra high resolution images. So they stay sharp and detailed when people zoom in on Shopify or your online store. It is perfect for product pages, galleries, and even large hero banners. And with built-in zoom features on most themes, if your photo is high resolution, the zoom will look clean and sharp. But if your photo is low resolution, the zoom will look muddy and pixelated. So your goal is to upload product photos that are at least 2000 pixels, ideally 4000 pixels, clean, sharp, and not noisy. And this is where Aiarty comes in beautifully. Now, the best tips would be to create your product photos in a well-lit studio with a great camera, but with dropshipping or print on demand, that is not always an option, because especially with dropshipping, you get supplier photos and your only shot is to upscale them and make them look the best for your store. So this is where the Aiarty tool comes in. So we will jump into Aiarty and make your images zoom proof, so really easy to use for zooming in and for your product pages. So you open Aiarty and you import your supplier photo. You drag and drop it, or you can click add and add images. You will probably start with small, blurry, slightly compressed, 600 or 800 resolution photos. It is fine because we are about to fix that. Now you need to choose the right AI model. So for e-commerce photos, we use Real Photo V3. For genuine supplier or camera photos, more detailed GAN V3 if the image is low quality and needs a strong detail boost, or AI GC Smooth V3 for AI generated models, mockups, or backgrounds. The next step is to set your upscale resolution. So here is where you choose 4x upscale or directly set a target like 4K resolution. This instantly turns an 800 pixel image into a crisp full 4K version. So Aiarty automatically deblurs the image, denoises grain, enhances textures and small details. It restores edges, sharpens surfaces, and fixes low light artifacts. So you don't need to adjust any complicated settings. Then you just hit run and Aiarty will process. It will usually take a few seconds to a minute. So let's compare the before and after. When you used to zoom in, it was very pixelated and the textures couldn't really be seen. But in the after image, if you zoom in right away, textures look clearer, edges sharper, and no more pixelation, no more fuzzy zoom. This is exactly what customers will see on your product page. Then you need to click export, choose JPEG or PNG, and save your high resolution product photo. Now let's actually upload these two product photos, the before and after, to our store and see the zoom in difference and also the difference for a hero banner, for example, in the quality of the product photo. So when we upload the before image with low resolution, it zooms in really poorly, it pixelates quickly, and it looks cheap and untrustworthy. But by uploading the after image with Aiarty, it stays sharp when zoomed. It has crisp details and it feels premium, and this will help customers inspect the product. So with product photos, most customers zoom in even on mobile. So it is important that the image, when they zoom in, it doesn't scare them away. That is why 4K resolution images are the best to use. Now, another really good tip for your online store is to use model or lifestyle images. And again, those that you get from your suppliers are usually low resolution with blurry faces and you can't really use them. But again, with Aiarty, this is something that we can fix, especially for model images or UGC images. So if you have a model photo that you want to enhance, you just import it into Aiarty, enable face restoration, upscale 2x or 4x, and then you're ready to run and export. Now your model images will match your main product photos in clarity and quality. The consistency will boost trust automatically, and you can see that even when zooming in on the model photo, on the model face, it looks really crisp and sharp. So some final image tips for high converting product images are the following. Make sure to keep all images in the same aspect ratio, so 1:1 for example. You can use a mix of studio product images or lifestyle model photos as well. With studio photos, your customers will get clarity, but with lifestyle photos, they will get that emotional connection with your brand, so both sell really well. Then add close-up details, stitching, materials, and even textures, and with Aiarty, those can be enhanced really easily. Keep background clean, avoid clutter, and use Aiarty for every supplier image to keep quality consistent in your online store. So by using the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool, you can create 4K zoomable product photos really easily that will boost conversions and increase your customers' trust. So if you want your online store to look very professional, high quality product images are the easiest wins. So make sure to go check out the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool at the link in the description. Let me know in the comments below if you've used this tool and which types of product photos did you use it on. If you've enjoyed the video, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!